Hello?
Hello, teacher.
How are you today? I cannot see you. Can I see your face?
No.
Why? I want to see your face because I only see the ceiling in your house. That your room?
Yeah.
Why you don't want to see? Why you don't like to? Why you don't like to
Yeah.
see? Why?
I don't know.
Okay, so we are pet. So baby, and so Lean, we are on pet 6 speaking. So now let's move on to test pet 6 reading. Okay,
Okay.
hold on. Pet 6 reading test 1. How are you today? Did you eat your
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
dinner? Oh,
Yeah.
what's your dinner? Let me, baby. Is it okay if
Is a bread.
okay? Baby, I will remove my. Is it okay if I remove my? Hold on. Oh my god. Oh, hold on, baby. The I cannot download the lesson. So how am I going to? Okay, baby. Is it okay if I? Can you give me 1 minute, baby?
Yeah.
Because I will request Miss Puwong Miss hold on. Hawaii. Miss no. Ma'am, okay? Only view. I need to download it. So I ask help for Miss Hawaii to give me an access. So how are you? How's your day? Did you go to school today?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you do today in your school?
Study.
Of course, study. So aside from studying, baby, what did you do?
Um, I play with my friends.
Wow. Are you allowed to go out? Are you allowed? Because, baby, we are not allowed to, my kids are not allowed to go to their school
Oh.
because of the virus. Okay. So, oh, why is it that I cannot? Okay. Okay, baby, let me, I cannot download it. Still, I cannot. Okay, baby, let me share my screen, okay?
Okay.
But it cannot be played. I don't know. Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
Ah, there you go. Yay! It can download, baby. Hold on. Yes. Okay, I downloaded it. It and it's function. Yes, very good. Okay, let's do it. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's start our lesson again. So we are on reading. So of course we are going to read, and I will correct all your mispronounced words. But most of the time you are correct, baby. Okay, so test reading. Okay,
Okay.
okay, do it. So of course we will be having five parts questions questions number of questions five 5 10 5 10 and 35 items in total, and let's proceed. This is very easy. So look at the text in each question, Lynn. What
Yeah.
does it say? Mark the correct letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Baby, if you have a paper, you can write the correct answer A, B, or C. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, prepare your paper. Okay. Example. Can you read the example? Regency cameras.
Regency cameras buy 2 films and get on free.
Okay. So what do you think is the answer? A. Buy 3 films for the price of two. Get a free film with every one you buy. Films bought here are printed for free.
Thing is A.
Yes, very good. So I think the test is very easy for you. Okay, next. Okay, can you try to read and then that answer?
Lisa, uh,
Yvonne.
can't go to the concert tonight. Let me know as soon as possible if you would like her ticket. If not, I will offer it to Maria. Sally.
Ah, there's a text coming from Solly. Lisa, Yvonne can't go to the concert tonight. Let me know as soon as possible if you'd like her ticket. If not, I'll offer it to Marie. So who should Lisa contact if she wants to go to the concert?
Uh, wait.
Okay.
I think it's Sally again.
Yes, it's Sally, baby. Because she's the one talking on the text, right? She's
Yeah.
the one relay the message. Okay. Next, parking for.
Parking form complete a place in lower left hand corner of windscreen.
Okay. Car registration and date. Complete the place in lower left hand corner of windscreen. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
I think it's A or B.
Register your car here by filling in this form. Put this form in your car windscreen after filling it. I think the answer is B because you're going to put the form in your windscreen car or car windscreen after filling it. Though it does not mention the position or where are you going to put the form. Yes, it's B, baby. Because baby, letter A is not the answer because you're not going to register it. You're going to complete and fill it up. Okay? There's a
Okay.
difference between register and complete or fill it up. Filling it up. Okay?
Okay.
Notices.
Notice a boat trip to Woodley Place due to high water levels. This trip will now take place by coach at no extra cost. The pickup time from the hotel remains unchanged.
Boat trip to Woodley Place.
I think it's B or C because
Boat trip to Woodley Place. Due to high water levels, this trip will not take place by coach at no extra cost. The pickup time from the hotel remains unchanged. What has changed about the trip to Woodley Place? To Woodley to Woodley Place. What do you think?
I think it's B or C.
Are you sure, baby? The question is what has changed about the trip to Woodley Place? That the one that changed because the price and the departure time is unchanged.
Is transport?
The transport, baby. Okay. Mo.
Mom, could you pick up my skirt from the dry cleaners when you collect your jacket? I will pay you back this evening. Thanks,
Okay, ma.
Sonia.
Okay. Continue, baby. Continue, Lane. Mom. What will be the answer?
I think.
Mom. So, for example, I am talking to my mom, Lynn. Could you pick up my skirt from the dry cleaners when you collect your jacket? I'll pay you back this evening. Thanks, Sonia. So, what will Sonia's mother do? A. Receive money for the dry cleaning from Sonia tonight. Expect Sonia's or I don't know how to pronounce Sonja but it's Sonia's jacket from the dry cleaners for her. Deliver her own clothes to the dry cleaners. What do you think?
I
Are you sure?
no, not really.
So baby, the question, the text or the letter coming from Sonia is she wants her mom to pick up the skirt from the dry cleaner. So then she will pay her mom after mom get the jacket, the skirt. So I think, oh, yeah, it's A because letter B fetch Sonia's jacket. It's not a jacket, it's a skirt. Yay, that's correct. Next, allow.
Allow at least 2 hours for the visit to the castle. C.
Allow at least 2 hours for your visit to the castle. A, each tour of the castle lasts less than 2 hours. 2 hours in the minimum time is the minimum time recommended for a visit to the castle. Visitors are only allowed to spend 2 hours inside the castle.
C.
See?
Yeah.
Hey, 2 hours is the minimum time recommended for a visit to the casa. Okay? Minimum.
Okay.
Maybe allow at least 2. It means at least is the minimum time. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, not bad. Part 2, questions 6 to 10. The people below live in London and are all interested in keeping fit. On the opposite page, there are descriptions of 8 websites for people wanting to keep fit. Decide which website would be the most suitable for the following people. For questions 10, 8 at 6 to 10, mark the correct letter. A to H on your answer sheet. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, baby, can you
Yeah.
see? You're going to find what the perfect way to keep fit with these websites. So, number 6 to 10. So, you're going to answer A, B, C, or D. Okay? By finding the
Okay.
website. Go, 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 baby. Go, 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 Lynn. Number 6, read it, baby.
I'm reading.
Clara.
Clara was recently moved to London and enjoys serious running. She is looking for a club where she can take part in competitions. Sammy wants to find some ideas for keeping fit at home and communicate online with other people doing the same thing. He doesn't want to have to pay for using the website. Kumiko is a member of a local gym where she goes at least twice a week. She does not get much time to shop, so wants to buy gym clothes and shoes online. Peter loves the outdoors and cycles to different places each weekend to keep fit. He wants a website which will give him suggestions for a range of uh,
Suitable.
suitable destinations. Stefano is a student and is looking for a gym where he can keep fit. He wants to pay each time he visits the gym
Rather than,
rather than paying a fee to become a member.
okay, Lynn. So what do you think is the letter for Clara has recently moved to London? And
Let me think.
this is hard, baby. Do you know?
Dear, you wait me for a minute? I need
Okay,
to
baby.
type in the remote.
Okay, baby.
Teacher, sorry, teacher, come back.
It's okay, baby. No worries, okay? So let's find out what is the answer for letters number 6. Actually, it's hard. It's hard for you this lesson.
Mm, let me read.
Okay. This topic is hard. You're going to choose what website.
I think it's D for Clara.
I sorry. I'm sorry, baby. This one is the answer, baby. Ah, yeah, that's correct. And 7 is F.
Uh,
What is it? Ah, it's it. There are 8 websites. It's hard, ah. How are you going to know if uh there are continuation on the next page? Okay, never mind, baby. So I will exclude this one because this lesson is very hard for you. Okay, so can you read it? Clara is letter D at the
yeah.
previous page.
So, Sammy is letter F. Kumiko is letter C. Peter is letter A, and Ted is Stefano is letter H.
Yes. Okay. So this one, 11 to 20, look at the sentences below about a book club. Read the text on the opposite page to decide if sentence is correct or incorrect. So baby, you're going to identify the correct if the sentences are incorrect or correct. Mark A on your answer sheet. If it is not correct, mark B on your answer sheet. So if it is correct, baby, A. If it is not correct, B. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You just need to send us first order from our book list. Okay. 11 to 20, baby. Can you read it and then I'll give you 10 minutes to read it and then answer it, okay?
Okay. International Book Club. Have you ever thought of joining a book club and buying new books through the post? Here at the International Book Club, we already have many members buying books from us by mail. To join, you just need to send us your first order from our book list. Immediate benefits. As a special offer, you may choose any reduced price books from our new members book list to the value of €6 in total plus postage and packing. By doing this, you will save pounds on the publisher prices. Tick the box on your form to order a free watch. If you reply within 7 days, we will send you another free gift carefully chosen from our book list by our staff. Order a DVD from the many offered in our list. I have the recommended retail price.
Recommended.
Recommended retail price.
Okay. So 11 to 20, baby, you're going to write A if it is correct, B if it's not correct, okay?
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, let's analyze your answer. Okay, can you read the 11 and then let's analyze if it is correct or not correct sentence, and then we're going to correct it, okay?
Okay.
So,
11. By ordering a book equality to become a member of the International Book Club. I didn't sure about my answer, but I think it's B.
by ordering a book, you qualify to become a member of the International Book Club. So why do you think it's letter B, baby?
When I read the International Book Club again, I didn't see that they say about it.
International Book Club is the name of the club. So by ordering a book, you qualify to become a member of the international. It's A, baby. It's correct. Okay, letter number 12, baby. Number 12, Lean.
I think is B2.
I think it's letter B. Every new member can request a watch from the book club.
No, because when I read, they tick the box on your phone to order a free watch. Not everyone.
Every new member can request a watch from the book club. Let's find out. It's A also, baby. Watch is this one. So if you become a member, you have you will be given a privilege to have a watch. Okay.
Okay.
Number 13.
Yeah, it's A.
You can buy a DVD more cheaply, or you can buy a DVD more cheaply when you join. It's I don't think so, but they said it's correct. You can buy a DVD more cheaply when you join. Okay, number 14.
A2.
All the club books cost half the publisher's price. Hold on, baby. All the club books. Hold on. All the book. Let me write it, baby. Okay. All club books. The correct will be
A.
okay. Number 15, baby. What do you think?
I think it's B.
It's also B. Each club magazine gives you a choice of over 1,000 books. Each. It's not a choice, but choices, baby, right? That's why it's
Yeah.
club magazines magazine gives you choices of over 1,000 books. Okay, next. You get a different choice of books if you order from the website.
I guess.
Maybe if you get a different choice of books, you will remove A. If you get different choice of books, you will get a different choice of books if you order it from the website. Okay?
Okay. Seventeen is B. I guess again.
A, B, C. It's correct.
That is a new paragraph.
Ah, sorry, baby. That's wrong. This one is wrong. Hold on. One special book is recommended every month. That's correct, baby. Number 18.
I think.
Yes. Number 19.
Is A.
B. You must pay the postage when sending your application to join the club. You must pay the postage before sending your application to join the club. Okay? Number 20.
I don't know this question.
You should pay as soon as you receive your books. A. You should pay. You have to pay. This is also correct, baby. You should pay as soon as. You should pay as soon as. You must pay. You have to pay as soon as you receive your books. Okay, this is correct. Okay. Part 4, questions 21 to 25. Read the text and questions below. For each question, mark the correct letter. Baby A, B, C, or D, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you read it first, baby?
Wait.
Rock band.
I remember that.
At this one? So you can answer the question.
No. I remember that I had to do it.
You already did this?
Yeah.
What?
Because I remember that. Like I read a paragraph named Rock Band and the questions is what is the writer trying to do in the text, and the ABCD is selected, and the 2 years old our 14-year-old son.
So what is the answer for 21, baby?
Let me read it again.
Okay, baby.
C.
Okay, number 22.
22 is let me read. B, I guess.
D, baby. It's okay, baby? Okay, next. 23.
Now I sure but like I was doing at the last teacher.
I know that, baby. So let's try to. Okay, it's okay. You're done with this. Okay, let's proceed. How about this?
Not.
Okay, Tom Cruise is one of. You're going to answer it. I think there's an answer. Example is most successful actors in cinema. So you're going to answer it, baby.
Mm. Finish.
Okay, let's try. Can you read it and then continue reading it, baby, and then your answer? Tom Cruise is one of the most successful actors in cinema history.
However, life hasn't always been easy for him. As a young boy, Tom was shy and had worry in finding friends. Although he really enjoyed taking part in school plays.
Okay, number 26, difficulty, baby. Okay, and what is your answer in 27, baby? He is
C.
taking part. Oops, okay, number 28.
C or D.
After he had finished high school, okay, Tom went to New York to look for work. He found employment as a porter, and at the same time, number 29,
Prepared.
prepared or attended?
Like,
Attended, baby. In 1980, the film director Franco Zeffirelli offered or tried. This is the
C or
offered from his first part in a film. 10 years later, he had become very successful.
yeah.
So successful? It's very. I answer. What is your answer in 31, baby? Very, right?
Yeah.
It's very, because he is very successful. That he was one of the highest paid actors in Hollywood. 32.
B or C.
Earning millions of dollars. Yes. Earning for all film.
I guess.
Film. Today, Tom still
Yeah.
appears in film and is as popular as ever.
Yeah. Me too.
Preferred. Huh?
Oh.
It's as preferred or popular or favorite.
Yeah.
That's my answer. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, baby. Hi, it's hard, no? Thinking. I think it's hard. How do you find the lesson today? For the test?
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay. Baby, what did you learn in our lesson today?
I learned a lot.
It's hard or easy, or it's just so-so?
It's normal. But the part of reading find the internet site is a little bit hard.
Yes, me too, baby. I know it. Okay. But then, baby, we're just going to continue the lesson on, when are we going to continue? On Tuesday again, right?
Yeah, in next week.
Baby, don't forget, I will put all the words that you have to practice, okay?
Okay.
See you again, Lynn.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.